Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin now, push out most air until there's a 0 to 1 cm headspace because less air keeps chips crisp. Next, line up the torn edges so the bag sits flat. This makes folding predictable. Fold the top edge down once to remove slack, then fold a second time tight against the chips. You're creating a neat cuff. Doing this prevents gaps. Once done, press along the fold to compact it and prepare for sealing. Now secure that cuff. Choose a twist tie, clip, or clamp depending on tools and time. If you have a twist tie, wrap it around the folded cuff twice and twist. This locks tension. If using a clip, place it perpendicular to the fold and squeeze firmly. Make sure it grips both layers. For a quick option, roll the cuff tight and loop a rubber band over it. These methods stop air exchange, which keeps chips crunchy longer, so pick one and apply consistent pressure. Finish by inspecting the seam for tiny gaps. Press and adjust the fold or reposition the clip until no air escapes. Then store upright in a cool, dry spot away from heat and mark the date so you know freshness. If you spot crushed chips or the seal fails, transfer contents into an airtight container or jar immediately to save texture. Troubleshooting tip: if steam forms after resealing, open briefly to vent, then reseal once dry. Moisture causes sogginess, so keep things dry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.